Get ready to learn about an amazing copy-paste method that you can use to make $150 again and again. You don't even have to do the hard work yourself with the AI bot that I'll be showing you. This is super easy to do. Just grab your device, make sure your internet connection is working, and let's get right into it. Just before we get started, I'm going to recommend a crazy way to make money online. Just click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So there's going to be 5 different platforms that you can use to make money using an AI bot that is absolutely free. The very first platform that we will be using is iWriter.com. This is a platform where you can get paid to write different articles and texts for other people. And if you scroll down, you can see all these different people who are already making money with this platform from all around the world. As you can see, you can earn up to $80 per 500 words. And the AI bot, which I'm about to show you, will literally generate a 500-word text with one click of a button. So I'm going to show you how that works, so stick with me. But anyways, all you gotta do is sign up to iWriter.com as a writer and you can apply for jobs. Right, the next platform that you could use is called Scripted.com. You can sign up as a freelancer and you can get paid to write articles and blog posts. And don't worry, you don't actually need to write anything with the tool that I'll be showing you. So you just want to sign up as a freelancer. As you can see, you can click on Become a Writer right over here, and you can learn more about it on the sales page, and then you can apply to become a writer and work anywhere, anytime. Another platform that you can use is called Text Broker. So you can go to textbroker.com and you can go to I Write Content and you can check exactly how much money they're paying for writers. So if you scroll down, you can see that if your rating is 4 stars, like the quality of your text is 4 stars, even though the fact that we will be writing is going to be 5-star rating because it's an extremely high quality bot that actually writes really good text. For 1,000 words, you can get paid $55. But that can also end up being, let's say, for 4,000 words, that would be a few $100s. It really depends on the text length and what they're actually requiring from you. But it can be around $200 per 4,000 word article that you generate. So obviously, the more of these texts that you generate, the more jobs that you get into, the more money you will be able to make. But the catch is that on textbroker.com, you don't have text and articles to write all the time. They only notify you maybe once in a couple of weeks, once in a couple of months that there is an article to be written. Sometimes, yes, they do have articles more often, but in most of the cases, you will have to wait until you get an article or job. But once you have it, as you can see, you can make $200 for a single text. Another platform that you can use is called Latium.org. This is like a freelancing platform. So you can go and type in article writing. For example, I'm going to type article writing or blog posts, and that's going to show you all these different people who are already making money by selling articles and blog posts. So for example, I will write a professional article for you. This person from Pakistan makes $20 per article and has over 5 sales so far. All these people are charging anywhere from $20 depending on the quality and the length of the article or the blog post, all the way to hundreds of dollars per each of those. So you can sign up as a freelancer. There's going to be a join button over here. You've got to create an account on Latium.org and you can start selling blog post and article writing services. And another platform that you can use, which is a little bit different than the previous ones, is Steemit.com. And stick with me, I'm soon going to show you the AI bot that's going to do all the work for you. But Steemit will pay you when you just share an article on the platform. like a blog post. So it's kind of like a platform with all the different blog posts on different topics. And for example, this person shared this article recently and they made a few $100s just from the views coming from Steemit. And you can see many more examples. So how do you generate these types of articles that you can publish on Steemit and that can potentially make you money as well? As with all of these different platforms, you can use any word, which is an AI tool. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box down below. It's absolutely free. You can sign up for it for free, and once you create an account on any word, you're going to be able to log in. I mean, it's free to sign up, like a free trial. You can test it out for free, and you can generate different articles for free in the beginning. And then afterwards, after you've generated like a couple of different articles, you will have to pay like $20 a month, but you don't have to take any money out of your own pocket. If you generate an article for one of your clients and charge, let's say, $50 for that article, you can then use that money to pay for a monthly fee for any word. So you can generate unlimited articles and sell more of them and obviously make a lot more money. So yeah, you can actually get started for free without investing money. You want to go to the blog wizard section if you want to write a blog. If you want to write something else, you will go to data-driven copywriting. Like if you need social media posts or product descriptions and all of that, you will go here to data-driven copywriting. But in this case, let's just generate a blog. So let's say, for example, my client on one of those platforms is paying me to write a blog about how to fish. Let's say, for example, best fishing tips for beginners. We can also select the industry. Let's try to find the fishing industry. We have the fishing sports section here. I'm going to click on Next, and then we'll choose a title for us. They will give us a couple of different suggestions, and then we will choose which one we want. But it will also score them. So I always like to go with the high-scored ones, like the best 5 fishing tips for beginners that they don't want to teach you in school. Alright, I'm going to go with this one definitely. It's a great title. So now they're going to generate an outline. And trust me, this literally looks like an actual human being is writing these articles. Like, you can read them, they're high quality. They're super high quality. Number 1, do your research. Be creative with bait use. High quality tackle, improve your casting skills. Don't waste time by going too early or too late. These are different sub-headlines. Alright, I'm going to go with those. And they're going to generate an intro paragraph that we can use. And then finally afterwards, we will be able to generate a full article that you can copy with one click of a button and send out to one of those platforms to make $150, $200, or as you saw, sometimes even $375 per text that you generate. So I'm going to continue to the editor, and all we have to do right now, once we have the title and we have the intro, is press generate on section number 1. Do the same thing on all these different sections. You see, that's the only bad part about any word, is that you actually have to do this manually. Like, you have to click the button for them to generate the text. It would be better if there was just one button and you could just click that one button to generate the whole text and you're ready to go. But I guess the reason they're doing it like this is because if you want to make some changes to the text or you want to add more text, then you have an option to do that. Like, if I click generate again, that will generate an even longer text and an even longer article with more words. And the more words that you write, the more money you could actually get paid. So yeah, if you scroll all the way up, you can see that this article so far is 341 words. Now I can copy this full article. As you can see, I can copy the blog post to clipboard with one click of a button and just go back and deliver it on all of these different platforms. And I can post this on this platform, potentially making $100, $140, $94, $163, or I can list it for sale. I can list my services for sale on latium.org and get paid $20 to $100 per article that I generate. Or also, you can sell them on Text Broker or get paid for your writing on Scripted or iWriter. I've basically given you a ton of different websites to make money on using this incredible writing bot. So have fun with it and make as much money as you can. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.